the most important reasons why you should use this robust incremental encoder in your application are now presented by Steffen Negli.
The WDGP was specially developed for rough industrial environments for indoor and outdoor use. Smallest installation space thanks to 36 mm diameter. Do you need a special pulse number? Available in any resolution from 1 to 16,384 ppr. You set the zero pulse in 2 seconds to your desired position. Of course, we also have many other designs suitable for your application. Configure now the suitable encoder for your application. All information are on our website.
Or just call us.